All right, you guys, I'm going to be talking about your photo gallery project and creating thumbnails and the original version. So let's open up our instructions. And let's see here. You're going to create a new folder. We're going to cover the first few steps, I think from step 1 through 4. So create a new folder called Photo Gallery. You're going to search the internet for 5 images that have to do with one of these topics or your own topic. Save the images files to the Photo Gallery folder, and if you need help renaming the files, just let me know. And you're going to use Photoshop to create thumbnail images for each of these 5 photos. Make sure the thumbnails are no more than 150 pixels wide. Name the files by adding a thumb underscore in front of the original file names. For example, if the full-size image is named jordan.jpg, the new thumbnail should be called thumb_jordan.jpg. So let's do that. Let's go to the internet, and I'm going to do a search for Dodgers. I'm going to do sports teams. So Dodgers. Let's see. I want this one here. Click on it. Where is it? Just want the image. Right click on it. Save image as. Okay. Right now it's saving it to my downloads folder. I want to save it on the desktop. And just like instruction 1 said, I want to save it inside of a folder called Photo Gallery. So new folder. We're going to call this dude Photo Gallery. Hit enter. Double click inside. All right. And here we are inside a photo gallery. And we see that the image type is a JPEG. That's what it says here. This name is not what I want, so I'll just call this one Dodgers. And I hit save. Okay. So now we have our first image. We want to create a thumbnail version of it. So for that, we're going to go into Photoshop. I know I'm muted. For that, you're going to go into Photoshop. So go Photoshop. Right? We're going to go into Photoshop. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Open, because we're going to open our image. And you can see here that it's inside a desktop photo gallery. There's my image. There's only one image there. By the time I'm done with this, there's going to be 2 images in there. This original version and a thumbnail version. So let's do that. Open. Okay. So here's my first one. I go to File. I go to Export to create a thumbnail. Save for web. Okay. On the longest side, I'm going to make 150 pixels. I want it to be a JPEG. Then I'm going to hit save. Now, I shrank it, and this was pretty big. So if I just hit save here, it's going to save on top of him, and it's going to mess up my whole system. Then I won't have this one anymore. And the purpose of this project is to have 2 versions, a large version and a smaller version. So in order for us to not have our previous work ruined and to make a copy of him, but still know that it's a thumbnail, we're just going to add thumb and then underscore. Okay. If I go in the folder here, Where's my folder? So if I go in the folder, I have a large version, 545 kilobytes, and I have his baby brother, which is 24 kilobytes. That's what you're going to do for all 5 images. So in total, you should have 10. You're going to download a large image, then you're going to go through those steps and create a thumbnail of it, and then the next one, and then the next one. And that'll take care of steps 1 through 4 in the photo gallery project. I hope that makes sense. If not, please let me know and I will help you with whatever it is that you need help with.